I'm now at the main farm. So this is an old farmhouse where we rest and that while we're harvesting. So I'll take you around outside toilet and shower. And this pond here is what Nang keeps fish and prawns in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down, join the rest of the farmers and help with the harvesting. So I'll give you a quick tour of the farm where I stay sometimes. Let's see if I can make sure I've got everything. Yeah. Okay, so just walk down here. See, this is a farmhouse there where sometimes I've stayed here before myself, but it's now going to rack and ruin, and it's good to see. And this is the rest of Papa's rice fields. The farm rice fields where Nang's father has. So it's an 80 rye land and that. And as you see, the old farmhouse and that. So walk around, get onto the field, and this rice here is ready for cutting. It is. So there's Tong and the combine, and I think I can see Nang walking up. Right, just walk around here, get up on this hill, so the combine can go over this no matter what. So right, I'm going to cut off and go and see Nang. Okay. Oh, as a matter of fact, I think Nang's over there, so I'll go over, see if I can go through the fields